The modern wall-mounted cat furniture set offers a comprehensive 5-piece collection that includes a cozy cat bridge, steps, a scratcher, and a cat tree, all designed to create an engaging wall-mounted playground for your feline friend. Constructed from durable, particle board and enveloped in plush, skin-friendly fabric, each component is engineered for comfort and safety, with sturdy triangular supports that can hold up to 22 pounds. This innovative cat climbing set is perfect for saving space, offering a vertical playground that not only satisfies your cat's natural climbing instincts, but also provides a dedicated area for play and relaxation. With the included screws and detailed instructions, installing this cat wall set is straightforward, allowing for customization to fit your space and your cat's jumping height preferences. Available in sleek black or classic beige, the set is designed to complement a variety of home decor styles, allowing you to maintain a harmonious look while providing a delightful activity space for your pet. The set's multi-level design encourages your cat to stay active and engaged, offering them both a safe haven and an exciting environment to explore and enjoy.